In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom guide layouts per slide in PowerPoint. Guides are those faint, non-printing lines that help you line up text boxes, images, and shapes with pixel-level precision. They don't appear in slideshow and they won't print, but they make building clean, consistent layouts much faster. Let's turn them on first so you can see what you're working with. Go to the View tab at the top of PowerPoint, then choose Guides, and open Grid and Guides. In the dialog that appears, enable Display Drawing Guides on screen. You'll see guides appear on your slide, typically one vertical and one horizontal, crossing at the center. To design your own layout, add as many guides as you need. Right-click any existing guide and choose Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide. Use vertical guides to set columns for titles, images, or charts, and horizontal guides to define rows, like a consistent baseline for headings or spacing for captions. To reposition a guide, just click and drag it to the exact spot you want. As you drag, watch the measurement indicators that appear. They show the distance from the center, which helps you place guides evenly. Zooming in can make precise placement easier, especially when you're aligning elements close to the edge. If different slides need different layouts, repeat this process on each slide. For example, you might create a 3-column layout on one slide for gallery images, then add a wider center column on another slide for a quote or a chart. Because you're adding and moving guides directly on each slide, you can tailor the structure per slide without affecting the others. If you change your mind about a guide, removing it is simple. Right-click the guide you no longer need and select Delete. This removes that single guide from the slide, keeping the rest of your layout intact. For smoother alignment while you work, turn on snapping. Go back to View, open Grid and Guides, and check Snap Objects to Grid or Snap Objects to Guides. Snap to Guides makes objects lock onto your custom lines as you drag them, which is perfect when you've set up a precise layout. Snap to Grid helps when you want uniform spacing at regular intervals across the slide. That's it. Turn on Guides, add vertical or horizontal lines as needed, drag them into position, customize per slide, delete extras when necessary, and enable snapping for fast, accurate alignment. With these steps, your slides will look clean, consistent, and professional in a fraction of the time.